Guys, Dr. Will here from Miami Spine and Performance. Today I'm going to give you guys a little tip on how you can get a little bit of decompression in your lower back on your own. Additionally, a good way to get some abdominal activity and work on breathing all in one. So these are all things that we want to be doing throughout the day, especially if you're somebody who finds yourself sitting a lot. I know it's the end of the year, so a lot of you are working really hard. You have deadlines and whatnot. So taking just a little bit of time, working on this midsection, working on the diaphragm and the rib cage can help you a lot with preventing tightness in the low back and tightness in the hips, and constantly feeling like your body is just winding up every day. So this is a good little unwind that you can do at the end of the day, or you can do during your work day. Okay, so we're just going to get into a position like this where I'm in all fours. Okay, and from here I'm going to keep my spine relatively straight, and I'm just going to do a little bit of a tuck under. That's just going to activate my lower abs. So I'm going to tuck under, and then I'm going to sit back a little bit. And if you're tucking under and sitting back properly, you will already start to feel a little bit of that decompression. You'll start to feel that tailbone pull away from the lower back, just like so. So for me, it's about here where I really start to feel that decompression. You can even sort of sit to one side or the other. Hang out here. Now from here, I'm going to take a couple of deep breaths, really focusing on breathing in through the nose, and emptying out all the air when I exhale. Okay, and what I'm trying to do is I'm actually trying to breathe into the tight areas. So I'm trying to push the air into those tight spots to even get more decompression. Okay, after you've done a couple breaths there, you can create a little bit of a core challenge by rocking forward and backward, maintaining that same spine position, so that same little bit of tuck in the tailbone. And this way you can work your abs a little bit, and you can just challenge that system. So the act of tucking the tailbone, taking those deep abdominal breaths, connecting your pelvis and rib cage, and then rocking back and forth and getting that abdominal activity, it's going to decompress your spine. It's going to allow some more blood flow to your spine, and it's going to allow the fluid exchange, which is going to help your joints feel nice and loose. It's also going to reduce some of the tension that you feel in your hips and in your tailbone, because a lot of that comes from mechanical tension that's put through your body because you don't have the core stability to kind of buffer that tension. So this is a little midday thing you can use, or something you can use at the end of the day to get some spine decompression. So give it a try, guys, and let us know what you think.